In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently record and manage your expenses using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can track your business expenses smoothly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account to access all the necessary features. If you haven't signed in, you'll need to enter your login details at this point. This is your starting point for entering and managing your expenses. Now, let's head over to the Expenses section. You'll find this option prominently displayed on your QuickBooks dashboard. Clicking on it will bring you to a detailed view of all your current expenses, vendors, and bills. This is where you can keep a close eye on your outgoing finances and vendor interactions. With the Expenses page open, we're going to take things further by adding a new transaction. Look for the New Transaction button, which is typically located at the top right of your screen. Clicking on this button sets you up to record new expense details. Managing your transactions efficiently can help you maintain clean and accurate financial records, reducing the likelihood of errors during tax season or financial reviews. Next, you need to click on the Expense option. This selection allows you to input details about your outgoing funds. Remember, accurately recording an expense involves specifying essential details that will help categorize and account for your spending. From here, you'll enter the payee's information. This step is crucial as it identifies who is paid and should match your physical receipts or bank records for consistency. Ensuring you select the correct payee will help maintain organized records and simplify future audits or financial assessments. Now, shift your focus to the payment account. This is the account from which the funds were expended. Selecting the right payment account is vital as it influences your budgeting reports and forecasts. Always check twice to avoid discrepancies later on. Then locate and click on Uncategorized Asset. While it's best to fill out your expenses with specific categories, sometimes you may need to use this placeholder. It can be very useful when you're still working to categorize expenses accurately. Finally, add a detailed description in the Description field. Detailed descriptions are your best friend for tracking what each expense was for. It simplifies future reference and aids in accurate financial storytelling. Whether it's for a business dinner or an online service subscription, clearly stating what the expenditure entailed will keep your records transparent. And there you go. By following these steps, you're now equipped to manage your expenses in QuickBooks like a pro. Regularly updating and reviewing your expense entries will keep your financials in order and help you make informed business decisions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping!